each 15-minute set, you need to be aware of how many runs did you call. You're calling 3, you're calling 1 run every 5 minutes. That is no good. No good for several reasons. You're going to have about 15 minutes in an appearance, and they're going to ask you at least 4 questions, and it's going to be a much more higher pressure circumstances. You've got to be able to control your stress within an appearance so that you're able to answer those 4 questions. That in itself is going to be difficult. But when you're at home practicing, you are going to learn far faster by the mistakes you make if you can make them quick enough. So it isn't about making a run from A to B accurate on the first go. It's about giving the first go that you do for that particular run a quick stab. Just guess. Guess at what you think the answer would be. Once you've guessed, you can check it quickly. You can see what mistakes you've made, and then you can rerun it again. That's going to get you through the volume, because the secret to point and the absolute secret to the knowledge is the volume of point to point that you do. Not the quality of one run, because you're hoping that you get asked that one run and you're not going to. The combinations of runs you can be asked is phenomenal. So you want to be mediocre as many runs as you possibly can. So when you're doing your point to point, the analogy we use is basically treat it like playing darts. If you want to learn to play darts, throw thousands of darts. Just keep throwing them. The more darts you throw, the more accurate you become. It doesn't matter how long you stand there and aim. You're still going to be rubbish if you stand there and aim for 20 minutes. You may as well just run the run as quickly as you possibly can to see what it is that gives you problems with that run. Your sense of direction may be completely in the opposite direction, but you needed to learn that. So stop the thinking deeply as a beginner and get on with the answer.